Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training, and today I have a lower body burn workout for you. If maybe you feel sore, tight, weak in your lower body, your legs, your glutes. So let's get started. Alrighty, so this is gonna be a little longer video, but follow along, take breaks as often as you need. But I feel like by the end of this, you are gonna feel so good. So here we go, we got some standing pelvic tilts to start off with. All exercises are gonna be 30 seconds on. What we're focusing on is feet shoulder width apart. Hands on your hips, find your hip bones here. Push your elbows back. We are gonna try to elongate so that our spine is curved. And all we're focusing on is shifting our pelvic bone forward, boom, like this. So you're here, push, boom. We want to have like a neutral stance. 30 seconds and let's go. So you're here, boom. Some people already have like anterior or posterior tilts, but the goal is to really just try to find that alignment where one hip bone isn't forward than the other, because sometimes people have different things like that. But having a proper pelvic tilt helps you with your balance, your any back pain that you may have could be a cause of that, helps with your core, all of it. So we just want to make sure we are being intentional about aligning our hips. Let's do one more and done. I already feel good already. I don't know about you. I'm like, dang, I gotta do that more often. Next, we have torso rotations, which I do often, so I love this. Here we go, feet past shoulder width apart. Stand up nice and tall, 30 seconds. Here we go. You can either have hands together, we're just rotating from side to side. Maybe your arms are tired and you don't want to do that, then you can keep them to your side. You can keep them here. Boom, you can do elbows. I like the elbows because it gives me a target to aim for, pretending I'm trying to hit something behind me. Focus on your breathing. We're just focusing on this rotational movement right here, getting those obliques, getting those hips nice and loose. Even your lower back, that's usually the part that's sore for me, but this feels amazing for it. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great, moving along. We have side bends. Very similar, we're gonna position our feet a little past shoulder width, and we're just gonna alternate. Going from side to side. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Really stretching out those obliques. Trying to elongate our side body. Try to at least get one breath into it. Helps me sink a little deeper. We tend to neglect these type of movements. We focus sometimes on like the cool looking exercises, but your whole body, it's like you have so many little micro muscles and all these different things, so just try to be well-rounded with our exercise practice. 3, 2, 1, and up. We are already a few exercises in. I'm ready to tackle the day, but guess what? There's more. We have standing knee raises next. We have 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. This is what we're used to, a little more, faster pace, but let's focus on straight back, sucking our belly button into our spine, bringing those knees up. We are focusing on our hips, hip flexors, the groin area. Get to at least parallel to the ground. You don't have to get super high. You're not trying to knee someone in the face. Let's get proper posture and focus on that breathing. 3, 2, 1, and done. Moving along, we have tibia raises, another neglected area of your body. Tibias right here. We're gonna focus on bringing our toes to try to meet our shins. I know that sounds confusing, but I'll show you. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Normally we use the calf raises, but here we're just trying to, obviously my toe can't touch my shin, but by doing so, you're gonna feel the stretch all up in those muscles right there. Boom. And again, do what I do, hold on to something. You can do this seated, you can do this against a wall, but this is just a great way to really make sure. If you ever ran and you had like that aching pain in here called shin splints, it's because you're not doing exercises like this. Hold it for 3, 2, 1, and down. Shake out your legs. Next, we have a quad stretch. We are standing. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You're just focused on grabbing one ankle, bringing your heel to your bum, trying to point your knee straight down. You're gonna feel the stretch all up in your quad, all up in your hip flexor, And as well, hold on to something. You can do 15 seconds one side, or you can alternate, whatever you want. I'm just gonna focus on one leg, and we're gonna switch in 3, 2, 1, and switch. There it is. This feels great. This helps loosen up your hip flexors. It gets very tight and short when you sit all day, so we wanna really stretch it. 3, 2, 1, and down. Shake out your legs. If you're not feeling good yet, I don't know what's your problem, I'm just joking. But we got more that are gonna help you. We have hip circles, feet past shoulder width apart. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're just focusing on putting our hips to the full range of motion. You can start wide like this, and you can switch, do what you'd like, or you can focus on keeping it tight and really focus on bringing those hips over, and then it becomes a belly dance. But sometimes your left or your right will be a little more stuck, if you will. So feel free to focus on which side needs more work. But again, we just want to move our body. 3, 2, 1, down. Next, we are gonna do some calf stretches. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can do both at the same time like this, where you're just hinging from your hips. You're gonna feel the stretch all the way down your hamstring, all the way down your calf. You can put one leg forward, toes off the ground, and then you can really feel the stretch. Whatever you want. There's so many different variations. This is my personal. It's technically called the elephant walk, where you're supposed to reach down and do something like this, but we're focusing on more static. So make sure you breathe and don't push your body past any position if you're not warmed up properly yet. 3, 2, 1, done. Next, we have, last, we have the inner thigh stretch. We are gonna be wide with our stance, feet pointed forward. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. All we're doing is similar to the side bend, where we're just bending to one side, and you're gonna feel the stretch all up in your inner thigh. Go to the other side. Bam. It is that simple. We got 2 more sets, so get comfortable. Now that you know exactly what you're doing, we are gonna be knocking these out. There it is. 3, 2, 1, and done. That is your first set done. Grab some water if you need to. Grab a towel if you're all sweaty. Because again, it seems simple, like I'm just stretching, I'm just doing these exercises, but I'm telling you, by set number 3, your body's gonna be shaking. You're like, I didn't realize I was working out these muscles. So here we go, set number 2 starts now. Standing pelvic tilts, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Torso rotations, 3, 2, 1, go. Side bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing knee raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Tibia raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Quad stretches, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, switch. Hip circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, switch. Calf stretch, 3, 2, 1, go. Inner thigh stretch, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. I'm telling you, if your body isn't relaxed and ready to go by now, then do this last set. But honestly, you should do it anyway, even if you are revved up. Get that burn on, get your sweat on. Let's have some fun. We finish in 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Torso rotations, 3, 2, 1, go. Side bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing knee raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Tibia raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Quad stretches, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, switch. Hip circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, switch. Calf stretch, 3, 2, 1, go. Inner thigh stretch, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your lower body burn / stretching routine. I feel amazing. I feel ready. I can kick. I can move my body, and hopefully you do too. Leave comments below. Let us know which was your favorite exercise in this workout. I just want to know. I just want to make sure we're building a rapport. Also, let us know what type of workouts. If this is something you're interested in or you want more of, let us know. If you want these movements or these workouts longer, we'd love to hear from you. If you want them shorter, we'd love to hear from you. The bottom line is we just want to hear from you guys. You guys are our family. We are so proud and glad to be a small part of your health and fitness journey. But if you haven't already, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping just like this one. Got Coach Mare dropping a bunch, Coach Gabby, and Coach Greg. That is me. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.